What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mandown Gardening. Today we will be working out of the VivoSun 4x4 Grow Tent Pro Series, and it has the Aero light wing for lights, and there's the fans as well. So let me take you over here, show you what we've got going on. We got one strawberry kush, and I'll show you what's going on this week. All right, guys, we're here in the tent. And I have one little baby. When I started this journey with VivoSun, I started a new plant. It is Strawberry Kush by Weed Seeds Express. And she is about 10 or 11 days old. And today we will be watering, well, not watering, but definitely feeding her for the first time. I'm growing out of HP Pro Mix and Perlite, and that's all I added to it this time, because I will be running the Green Rush nutrients, and we're gonna see how that works out. So let me grab my turkey baster real quick, and I'll show you guys what's up. All right, guys, we're back. So this is what I'm gonna feed it. I'm gonna run the whole entire process off Green Rush. You guys can, of course, save 10% with code Mandown. And you guys can also save 10% or 15% with VivoSun at their site. So all I'm gonna do today is, like, literally, I diluted the food to a 1/4 teaspoon per gallon, and all we're gonna do is just come in here just a little bit and introduce this new food to this plant. I don't want to overdo her and give her too much, but at the same time I don't want to like underdo it. So we're gonna give her about 2 turkey basters full, and I think that should be plenty. They are 12 days old. So yeah, see, it's hydro whatever, it's leaking from the bottom, but that's okay, it'll suck it right back up. And I'm gonna leave this girl in the tent by herself. This week it will be a short update. I mean, there's not really much to update. It's seedling time. I just wanted to show you the nutrients that I'm going to be running in this tent. We are currently at 25% with the light. And I don't really have any fans going because of the humidity problems, because the rest of the house is in flower. So she's still coming along. She's just lanking a little bit, but pretty sure she'll be all right. So we'll check back in a couple of days and we'll see her growth, especially after I fed her for the first time, and we'll see what's going on. Smash that like as always, guys. Thanks. What's up, guys? We're back in the VivoSun 4x4 Grow Pro Kit tent. We have one Strawberry Kush by Weed Seeds Express. She is actually only 12 days old today, because I planted her on the 11th, and that's where I was going off on the last clip. But she didn't sprout until the 14th, so she's only actually 12 days old. We watered her, well, I actually gave her her first feeding at day 10. She doesn't need to be watered today, so there's not really much I can do. I'm just checking in to show you guys the progress the last couple days. She looks happy. She took the Green Rush well, the Green Rush Grow. Like I said, I'm going to be using their products this entire run, and see what we can produce. As I have been sitting back and playing with the tent, I'm learning more and more about the system. We have 2 Aero wing lights. It's at 25% right now. and we're at about 165 par. We're at about 24 inches from the canopy, so it's perfect. I have the clip fan on low just to get some air in here, and since I've taken the dehumidifiers out I've shut them off. I don't have to, it brings the humidity up, so it's a lot better. Because I have been having to introduce a humidifier in here as well. So it's stabilizing, and we're able to keep it pretty decent for her. But she's still pretty moist from the last watering. What we're gonna do this grow is we're going to grow one plant in here, but I'm going to make sure that I transplant her into at least a 10-gallon pot and not have the problems that I'm having with the vanilla frosting. So if you guys can, please smash that like as always, and share this video to your friends. And we'll be back in like probably 2 days, and we're going to give her some water, because with the green rush it's every other feeding. So one feeding is green rush, then water, green rush, water. So it's not really that complicated. You just have to start off in smaller doses, because you really don't want to burn your plant up. Take it from me, I've done enough of that. But it's taught me to really use less is more. But I really like this tent. It's pretty awesome. We have all this room in here, so we are going to try to fill her wall to wall with some decent colas this time, and see if we can get better at growing one plant at a time because of my plant count. I need the medicine, and why not try to maximize as much as possible. But we'll holler back in a couple days, guys. Later. What's up, guys? We're back. It's day 14 for the old strawberry, and I wanted to mention, in the first clip the lights were reddish. There was a lot of reds coming through. It was because I had the cords hooked up wrong. I didn't have the RJ45s hooked up, and that's why it looked red. That's not normally how the lights will look, and I just wanted to point that out. But since that time, I've gotten it fixed, and now we're ready to roll out of this tent. So we have the strawberry Kush, and she's day 14, and she's showing, look at the bottom, she already has like really good root growth, sorry. And so I will be transplanting them in the next video. I'm gonna let them probably get to day 21. We'll probably go maybe not that long. Maybe, because I'm gonna water them today. I pH some water down to 6.3, and we're just gonna give her a couple turkey basters full. I have not watered them since I gave them their first feeding, and that was Green Rush Grow, as you guys remember. So we're going to just give her a couple eyedroppers, or not eyedroppers, but turkey basters full again, because I really don't want to overwater her. This is one of the most crucial parts, is the seedling stage. You don't want to overwater or drown them. So I just want to give them just enough to keep them moist. And they're really starting to grow now, because we're getting at that point. So we should be hitting veg here any day, like technically veg, and I think it's going to be all right. I'm really excited with the new nutrient line. Really excited to run just straight Green Rush and see how that goes. And really excited for this tent to see the possibilities as I play more and more with the app and stuff. So we're still at 25% light. We're still at 155, 160 par, or I think it was 165 in this tent. So besides that, it's just we're just playing the slow game, I guess. This is the bad part when you start from seed, but it will definitely pay off in the long run, and we'll see what we can produce. I have high hopes this time, especially see 2 turkey basters and it's already leaking. So especially with you know, my vanilla frosting that I've been doing. So I'm learning from that one what not to do on this one, and I also have another one. So by the end of them, we should be good to go, and I'm really excited. So if you guys can, please smash that like as always. Share this video to your friends, and if you come this far, please comment. Just leave me an emoji or something, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys, have a good week.